This is the 5th annual Taste of Annandale. Started a few years ago. This is the most glorious day we've had in those 5 years. We will have thousands of people here throughout the day.
What'd you get?
Crab tots.
Empanadas with chimichurri fries. Pretty killer.
Corn dogs and Frito Bandito.
Hot honey chicken sliders.
Soul food, haddock and collard greens.
We got empanadas.
I'm about to get some of these tacos.
It's not just food, it's community booths, it's entertainment on the showmobile stage, and we've got across the street with the Child Development Center and our new pop-up park, we have children's activities across the street. So it's a wonderful opportunity for the whole family. If you look around here, you'll see folks from strollers all the way up to elderly grandparents. We're all having a good time. It's very satisfying to see the community come together. We've got a very diverse community. You see it in the people who are here and the cultures that are represented. The showmobile stage entertainment, we've had martial arts, we've had mariachi, we've had some trapeze artists, it's everything. And then smell the food trucks, it's every aroma from around the world.
Okay, stop.
Kimchi, pancake, 빈대떡, onion and garlic, kimchi, flour.
Annandale needs to be a destination, not a pass-through. We've got these two main roads, Columbia Pike and Little River Turnpike, going right through the middle of Annandale. We want people to be able to stop. We are a great place to eat, with ethnic restaurants, with the library back over on Little River Turnpike and the pop-up park here on Columbia Pike and all this commercial in between. It's a great place to come and spend the day, absolutely.